How to create a Facebook post in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a Facebook post in your Canva application. So as here currently you can see that I have opened my Canva application in my Windows desktop, and the first thing that we will be doing is creating our Facebook post design. So in order to do that, you can either click onto this create button, or you may also press this plus icon at the top. So let me click onto this create button, and once I have clicked onto this, you can see an interface like this, and from here you can search for any design that you want. So since currently we are looking for a Facebook post, so you can simply search for Facebook, and then here you can see that it has retrieved me some of the designs which are related to Facebook. The first one is a Facebook post in landscape, then the another one is a Facebook post in landscape as well. So the difference between them is the pixels. So this one is 1200 by 630 pixels, whereas this one is 920 by 788 pixels. Then we also have a Facebook post in square shape. Then there is a Facebook cover image, which is usually that particular image which goes besides our original profile picture. Then you also have Facebook ad, Facebook video, and Facebook cover as well. So you can choose any of these options, either this one or this one as well. So let us go with the second option. And here you can see that this is our Facebook post interface, and this will be our design throughout. So in this canvas which is available, this white area, we will be able to add things or edit them, and then our Facebook post will be ready. You can also use templates like these to make your Facebook post look more better. So for example, let's say this one right here, and let's say I have added this particular template, and this is my Facebook post. If you want to add more of these pages, you can click onto this add page option as well, and then continue using the template, or you can also edit this on your own. And once you are done with all of the changes, then in order to export these posts, what you can do is simply click onto this share button and then click onto that download button, and your post will get downloaded. So that's how easily you can create and export Facebook posts in Canva. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.